Okay, we're moving right along with the disassembly of our YZ250 here. We have removed our carburetor, and as we're disassembling our carburetor, we've ran upon one of these tricky choke plungers. Now, there's nothing complicated about it, but you put your wrench on it, and it just doesn't fit enough. There's not enough room to turn it. The close in, you can't really get it in there. Now, there are wrenches that exist that would fit this better. Maybe you have a thin wall socket, but if you don't, you can modify a regular wrench to work in this application. So we're gonna head over to our workbench and modify this and see if we can make it work. So we've got our wrench in our vise, and the idea here is to make the closed end an open end, and whatever combination of tools you want to use here, whether it be a hacksaw or a file, whatever you have around. I'm going to start out with a Dremel tool to get the gap cut, and then I'm going to go over to the grinder and fine tune it to make it fit our application. Alright, we're back over here at the lift. We've modified our tool significantly. As you can see, we've ground it down to where it's thinner. This specific application, this side needed to be a little bit shorter than this side. I would recommend continually checking the fit of your tool as you're grinding. That way you can make any fine-tuning adjustments. So now, get that in there. Fits pretty good. There, now you can see it'll loosen the plunger. When you're ready to go back together or put a new one in, it'll snug it back down, and it works great. So we can throw this tool in the box. We'll have it for another time if we need it. And like this one, 12 millimeter, I already went that route with it, so now I've got both, and hey, maybe one day I'll have a 17 in there too.